Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today we're working on Pop's Candy Cane Snowflake Quilt. That was won by one of our viewers, and I'm just kind of finishing it up. I did a little bit of pretty little leaf texture and then some pinwheels along the side, the borders here, and I'm just going to do a little bit of free motion swirl in the center where the snowflake stands out. So you can just take a little look at that there. Isn't that beautiful? Pop's creation, made via the EQ8 software, and yeah, lots of fun to put it together too. Not easy, but fun. So I just have some nice little coolie kind of gray thread here, just to show up just a smidge. And I'm using white backing, and I'm just going to lock my stitches in a little, spot where nobody's really going to see that. I have it off the belt, so it's all nice and loose, so I can make those curves without being hindered by the belts, trying to stop them or try to, if it wants to like control the computer. And I'm just going to have some fun. Nothing too dense. Just have a little bit, kind of play, and then come up again, go this way. It doesn't have to be overly dense at all. Trying to keep things a little bit consistent. Trying to get into some of those little corners. And of course, as you get out and out, you can make your swirls a little bit more. Many layers. And then just make sure you can get yourself back out of the space that you got yourself into. Okay. So nothing too dense. Just give it a little bit of depth to go around your, whatever you're trying to highlight. And of course, you're trying to highlight the snowflake here. Okay. Mr. Clive is trying to love my foot as or the back of my legs as we're trying to do this here. I'm just going to kind of make my way around and then come back up and around too. So nothing too complicated. Just have a lot of fun. Be free and organic with your movements. Trace them out if you want to. You want to do something special. You want to write a name. You want a certain type of snowflake. Or you want them to look like it's, snow blowing in the breeze. Everybody is having an amazing Wednesday. There is some footage of the winning quilt from the, broke a thread here, the paid members of our website. There is an extra video for those people, and they get a chance to win that quilt that we do on that video. And so you'll see a bit of a footage of the quilt that was won at the end of this video. Okay. And I got some footage for you of the pinwheels and stuff too. So just bring that thread up, because we know it's too long now. Okay. That goes nice and taut. Move that out of the way. Looks like we kind of skipped a couple little stitches here. So let's go back here. Here's hoping we can overlap without too much difficult. Okay. And I'll pick those other ones out. So a little slower probably. forget to move. Because it looks like our thread are spraying again here. I'm going to come back and pick that out. Okay, so that is how I'm going to fill up this beautiful project here. That's okay, I'll do it later. And then we'll get it finished off and get them all mailed out. I can't wait. So it turned out fantastic. It was a great project to work on via the weekend projects with everybody, as well as finishing a little bit up when we did our 12 hours, or we did some of it on our 12 hours. Yeah. Thank you, everybody, for participating in that, and we're looking forward to the next ones. Here's hoping. And you guys have yourself a fantastic day. Big hugs from us at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop. And if you would like this pattern, it is free. Pop did create it. Go to www.wesewit.com and sign up there, and you will find the pattern. Okay? Thanks, everybody. Big hugs. Enjoy your day.